everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got Ipsy. We've got two Ipsys, my regular bag and my plus bag. So let's get into them and check them out. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so I'm going to do a bunch of the videos that we got behind with FabFitFun in the next couple of days. So we're going to start with Ipsy and I'm going to put them together. If you are new to Ipsy, this is the regular glam bag. It is $13 plus $1.99 shipping and handling. And this is the Ipsy Plus. This one is, oh, what is it now? $28. And you have 3 choices and it will be 5 full-size items. This one will be 5 deluxe samples is what they say, but we usually have some full-size products in here. So let's get in this one first. So when we pull it out of the bag, oh, this was cute. This was the October one, so I will have to set it aside for next year. It feels much nicer than I thought. See how it's a spider web? That is so cute. And it's got the little pull on it. Oh, it's a spider. Well, I have to admit, I don't even want to open this bag now. Oh my goodness. I have something big, really big outside the bag too. It looks like I got a palette of some sort. That's probably my choice. All right, well, the top of this is a nice purple. Before I put on my glasses, I'm just going to go ahead trying to grab it by the O-ring as much as possible. I am terrified of spiders. Terrified. We have our paperwork that said, coming this November. It's already November. Coming this November. Oh no. Halloween. That's adorable. Inside tell us? Yes. On the inside, we have the information about all the products that we have. We'll save this big one for the end. And just dig right in, something purple. Oh, it's already looking festive and matches my bag. What color is the inside? Oh, so the inside of the bag is just black, but you can see the purple of the zipper. This is Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. Who's it by? Chorus. It is by Chorus. That is what that looks like. And this is Chorus Greek Yogurt Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. It's like a superfood for your face. This pre- and probiotic rich mask is full of Greek yogurt, anti-inflammatory calendula, and moisturizing sweet almond oil to help hydrate, balance, and soothe your skin in less than 10 minutes. The MSRP of the full-size version is $49, and that would be 100 ml. We have 20 ml, so we have a fifth. So this little fella is about a $10 value. Wow. Next out, we have Velvet, Commodity Velvet, actually. Scent Space, Personal. I don't know about this. The back says, scan me. So I guess perhaps I could scan it for more information. Let's get in here and see what we've got though. It's a nice little spray bottle. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, spray bottle. I thought for a second it was going to be a roller ball. And it's also got the velvet on it. Smells nice. I'm going to spray it on the box just in case. This says Velvet's deep notes of vanilla, rose, amber, and sheer musk greet your senses with a warm, welcoming hug. The dry down reveals an unexpectedly delicate and smoky sillage for a breathable indulgence when it meets bare skin. Sillage. I don't know that word. This says that the MSRP, if it were full-sized, would be $135 for 100 ml. This is 5 ml, so it's a 20th. Person should be able to do that. So about $4.50, right? I think that's close. Let's spray this. We'll keep it as far away from, oh, I just realized, oh, did you see the spider in the upper corner? We'll spray him. Oh, but now I have to sniff him. Oh, I didn't think that through. Oh, it's nice. It's not what I would choose. This isn't the scent that I go for, but it's very nice. You can smell the amber, the vanilla. Yeah, I like it. Next out of the bag, we have, oh, it's tiny. It's a tiny one. Jasmine Beauty Lip Lock Lipstick. That is going to be a lipstick. It reminds me of, do you remember back in the day? How old are you? Remember the little ones that they used to do? I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Through Avon, that were the black bottoms with the clear tops, and they were just like tiny little lipsticks. They were so cute. That's not what this looks like. This one is just kind of a smaller regular component. Ooh, it's a very nice color. The color looks very much like me. Oh, very satiny, and I like that a lot. Can you see the shine? I'll do like that in case you can see this shine on it. It felt fantastic, even just going on my hand. This, I'm gonna say this a lot, this would be great on vacation in my little crossbody bag to just have a little touch me up and not have to carry a full bullet out during the day. I like the idea of that. And last out of the bag, we have a Purlisse Radiant Glow Illuminating BB Cream, SPF 30. What color did I get? Normal to dry skin. It does not tell me on here what the color is. Let's see if the paperwork tells me. Purlisse Illuminating BB Cream SPF 30 in Fair. That's a match. This multitasking BB cream is made for hectic mornings. A few drops give your dewy skin natural looking coverage and protects from pollution and UV damage. The light reflecting pigments will make your skin look soft and luminous. You would swear it's filtered. If this was 40 ml, it would be $38. We have 7 ml, so that's about a sixth. So this is a little over $6. We're getting good at this math. I mean, if we round. We're not getting exact numbers here. Oh, it's sealed, but in Fair, let's go ahead and look at it in case I want to take it. It's very light. Even for me, that is incredibly light. Ooh, I will try it on my face. I do like the way it feels, and it's good coverage, but even for me, I think that might be a little bit light. Blast out, and I feel fairly certain probably my choice, although this was forever ago. We have a Glam Babe by Trend Beauty. Yeah, I feel like I remember picking this. And it is a palette. Let's see what kind of palette it is. Is it eyeshadow? Is it a face palette? It's eyeshadow. Those are really pretty colors. They are really nice for winter colors. This is what they look like. Isn't that pretty? They're really, really wintry. I hope I'm getting that up there well. They are really, really wintry colors, but I like them. It doesn't have... And you guys hear me talk about this. It doesn't have the all over color wash that I like when I first start putting on my makeup. I like to do my eyes in a skin tone color that's close to my own skin tone. This doesn't have that. It has a lot of shimmers in it. It does have one, oh, it feels really nice. Wow. It has one that would be really great in transition for me. Actually, this one probably would too. It's basically a warmer and a cooler version of the same color. But oh yeah, these satins and these feel fantastic. Those are those two colors that I just picked up. Let's see what it goes on like. Oh wow. Those are really, really pretty. I'm anxious to try this. These colors look really nice for winter and for a brand that I didn't know. They feel super impressive. What does the paperwork say? It says, make every day a true glam day with this bold palette of 15 shimmer and matte shade shadows that can easily take you from day to night. Mix and match your favorite colors or try something new. This palette has every shade you need to create a totally unique and bold makeup look. And it has a $12.50 value. Well, I have to tell you, it feels fantastic for $12.50. So that's impressive. And just for the record, I was covering up. It has a nice, actually it's a very nice mirror on top. It's a good size and it seems extremely clear. Perhaps a little too clear. Okay, that was my regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So for basically your $15, you get your very creepy bag that has a spider on it. This nice eyeshadow palette, only a $12.50 value, but so cute. The Korres mask, the Purlisse BB cream, the cute little lipstick that was a really pretty color from Jasmine Beauty, and a perfume. So this was our $15, they say $13, but then charge you $1.99 shipping. This was our $15 Glam Bag. All right, let's get into the Glam Bag Plus. Glam Bag Plus is $28. It comes out monthly also. If you choose the Glam Bag X as one of your bags, the month that you get that, you will not get your Plus, you'll get your X instead. This is 5 products. They will be full-sized. You get to choose 3 of them. Let's hope I can remember what I chose. I have some in and some out of the bag. Mostly out. The bag, albeit empty, is super cute. And again, I will tuck this one away for Halloween next year. Actually, that's probably not true. I will probably fill it with nice lush things that will make something that I put it in one of my drawers or a closet smell really good. But that is so cute for Halloween. I only have one thing in it, and I did actually spend some of my points. Actually, I'll just show you that first. I'm trying the Refreshments Breezy Deodorant. I had points that were going to expire, and I had pretty much tried everything else they were offering in points, so I thought I would try this because it said it is an aluminum-free and baking soda-free deodorant. I don't think this one gets to go to Florida with me, though. I don't think that's where we're going to be trying out aluminum-free. It leaves you feeling extra fresh, and I got it in unscented. That does not sound like me. And I proclaim it unscented. There's no scent to that. That is, wow. That will be interesting to see how that works. I wanted to try it though, and this seemed like the perfect time, so I spent points and got this. Okay, into the 5 things that came with my bag. I will show you the 2 things that I did not pick, and then the 3 things that I did pick. First, I did not choose for me, but they did. The Clarity Brighten It 10% lactic acid solution. So as you guys can quite imagine, I did not choose this for myself. I could not use this. My face would rebel against me forever and a day. This says gently exfoliate and brighten skin. It is 2 fluid ounces. I will try and put prices down here for you because in our paperwork, the Halloween paperwork again, they don't generally, sometimes somebody gets lucky and they will have a little information in there, but as a rule, we don't have the information on it. I also got the Grace and Stella If Eyes Could Smile. And this is overwrapped in plastic. I am not going to unwrap it because I have, first of all, I have my favorite eye cream that I've been using regularly. But when I'm not using that, I have like 3 in the standby. So one of them being this, I think, in a different box. So I will set this aside to pass along. And then getting into my choices, I have the Trace Loose Beauty Hello Brows Dual-Ended Micro Brow Pencil. And I chose it in brunette because, alas, she is a brunette. I love this. I love the Trace Loose Blue. It's so pretty. This is wider at the bottom. I don't know if you can tell. It tapers to the top. Ooh, and it's a nice, fine, small pencil, kind of like the Brow Wiz is. Oh, the color is perfect. And I'm going to do a little more of this so you guys can see. Can you see on the back of my hand back here? I've done like little hairs. That worked really, really well for that. I like that a lot. What's at the other end? Oh, it's the kind that's the thicker one. Here, let me put it up a little bit so that you can fill in if you want. And it just kind of gives you a more, I put it right next to it, a more thick if you need a fuller coverage but don't want to draw a million little lines. Okay. That worked really nicely. It went on. It was the perfect combination of firm enough that you could get nice, fine hair looking flicks, but not so firm as to be so waxy you don't want to use it. I almost always choose brow products. Brow products are one of the things I like to try all of. And next out, I have a Heat by Fenty Beauty. Gloss Bomb Heat in Hot Cherry. And I actually have this. I didn't have all of my favorite choices this month, so I always choose what I think my daughter or somebody who I know or love would like, or something that will be easy to put in a giveaway. And I have this, and I have it in this. Actually, I think I have like 3 of them. I have a crystal one and a yellow one, and I really like them. So I figured whoever I pass this along to would be thrilled with it. And then my last choice is the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. What color did I choose? Uncensored. I thought it said unscented, and I was going to be like, that is a really interesting color name choice, unscented. It's like the deodorant. Uncensored. Oh yeah, that looks like I probably picked it. That is what that looks like. It's a nice red. I am actually going to try this one, so we will go ahead and swatch it. Running out of swatching space on my hand. I always love the look of her. Well, do you call it a doe foot if it looks more like a heel or a stiletto? I like the look of it. Oh my goodness. Whew. That's serious business right there. I mean, I like it. I think it's a good color for me. It is good and dark though. Oh wow, that's pretty. It's really wet, so you've kind of got to swipe it off a little bit before you use it. You know what? This might be one of the ones you're supposed to shake. I should take that off before it dries down. Oh, good call. Oh wow, look how when I swipe it, it kind of gets almost a fuchsia look. Can you guys tell that in the camera? In real life, once it's swiped, it looks kind of, oh yeah, I gotta get that off. I have more boxes to do, and that wants to stay in the back of my hand. So I suspect this is one of those ones that you guys hear me say, you best put it where you want it, girl, because it's going to be there a while. So back to what we were doing. Is this one of the ones that has to be shaken first? Yes. Shake before use. I thought I remembered that about it. It's really wet, and this is one of the ones you're supposed to shake before you use. So if you have the stunner and you didn't read the box, you're supposed to shake this before you use it. Okay, that was my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That is the $28 bag. They say you'll have 120 plus in value. I got the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint, the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is one of the ones that makes you tingle. This is the Grace and Stella Eye, the Clarity Brighten It 10% lactic acid solution. Oh, I felt like I was missing something. And the Trace Loose Brow Pencil. So definitely, I'm sure that for $28 the value was there. I mean, I suspect one of the Fenty's got me really close to that. And then I got this. If you guys have any interest in knowing how this works out, I won't be trying it for probably a month or so because, like I said, that doesn't get to go to Florida. So overall, pretty happy with my October bags. All right, thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you are having a great day, and I will see you guys really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys. Bye.